Worried about the Debugger Data Model Library DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before the walkthrough for Debugger Data Model Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Debugger Data Model Library. It provides the hierarchical object model used by modern debuggers, like WinDbg, to inspect the kernel and application states. If missing, diagnostic tools and crash dump analyzers will fail to launch, preventing technical users from identifying the root cause of system-level hangs. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Debugger Data Model Library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Debugger Data Model Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Debugger Data Model Library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Debugger Data Model Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Debugger Data Model Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.